Hello and welcome everyone. I am Dipali Khetrapal, an NLP practitioner. I am here to discuss with you certain core values which may seem small but play an important role in achieving success in life. Do hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss upcoming episodes. So, we will be discussing the meaning of these values through various examples and stories and how we can imbibe these values and make them a part of our life. Today we will discuss about duty. Duty is something that you have to do because people expect you to do it or because you think it is right. Example, a soldier must do his duty. When a person joins the army, navy or air force, it becomes their duty to protect their country's borders from outside threats. Duty is an action or task required by a person's position or occupation. The task that you do when you are at work. Example, the duties of a policeman to help maintain law and order, to maintain peace, to stop any wrongdoings. Duties of a teacher to teach the students so that they grow into respectable human beings and responsible too. Duty is the binding or obligatory force of something that is morally or legally right. Example, our duties as a citizen of India. It is our duty to keep our city clean. There is a saying that charity begins at home. Just as we keep our houses clean, when we keep our surrounding areas clean, we are fulfilling our duties as a citizen of our country. A very important duty as a citizen of India is our duty to vote. Once we reach the voting age, it is very important that we vote for the right person who is a good leader and who will work for the betterment of our country. Duty is an act or expression of respect. Example, like we stand in attention whenever our national anthem is being played. Like when we visit a place of worship, we leave our shoes outside and join our hands to pray and maintain silence inside. Duty is also the respect and obedient conduct due to a parent, superior, elders, etc. Example, we have a moral duty to respect our parents, elders of the family, teachers, guests coming to our homes to visit. Duty is a task or chores that a person is expected to perform. It is our duty to help our parents in household work, isn't it? Sometimes you are bound by duty to help your little brother or sister. This you do out of love and affection for your siblings. Right? How we fulfill our duties is helpful in determining the type of person we are. Here's an interesting story explaining how we should be performing our duties. Now, this is a story about the time when the supply of electric power for lighting streets was available only to a few cities, big cities in India. So in one of the big towns, every street had 3 or 4 oil lamps, each with a glass chimney set on a pole. The municipal authorities employed some laborers to light the lamps at about 6 p.m. in the evening. So the expenses incurred towards oil, wick and chimney were met by the municipalities. So there was one lamp lighter who did his job cheerfully and sincerely. He had great faith in God and always recited the name of his dear God, Rama. He was very punctual and systematic in his work. He used to come to his work ward exactly at 5 p.m., clean the chimneys, pour oil into the containers, set the wick right and light the lamp. While doing all these, he would be singing, "Oh Lord Rama, I'm only doing your work, I'm only serving you." Now the reports reached the municipal authorities that the lamp lit by this devotee shone brighter all through the night, while the lamps lit by others in the town were dim and many of them burnt only for a part of the night. The matter was taken for investigation. The reporting officer submitted the report that all the lamp lighters in the town were given the same oil and other material and were also paid the same remuneration. As for the street where the lamps shone brightly, it was a unique case where the lamp lighter was known to be a very pious man doing his duties as a service to God. So, what do we learn from the story? We learn that when we do our duties happily and sincerely, becomes a service to God. It gives shape to our character. This is your friend Dipali Khetrapal signing off. Stay tuned, keep smiling. God bless.